Good morning, everyone. Oh, wait, hold up. Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. The market, it's been moving lately. So yeah, we're here a little early today because we've kind of had some excitement lately. Let me come in here, close some of this old stuff we got up here. Do a little do some more review. All right, let's see. So we got a gap to fill in over here. I'm kind of looking at taking a short potentially on Meta. Oh, top of the morning. Hey, somebody's in first like. Appreciate you, family. Oh, one for one, one for one. But yeah, we're here with public. Hey, Edward, top of the morning. Appreciate you. Um, yeah, should be a good day. And top of the morning, top of the morning. Here, let's see. Okay, so we got the spy popping, we got Meta popping. Let's see what else. I'm really leaning towards like the Spire meta, or actually more leaning towards meta, but I want to make sure there's nothing else because I might actually short meta is what I'm looking at. Let's let me take one more look at the Spire. Let me take a. I think I got too much going on here and trying to like teach and explain stuff, kind of like throwing me off. So right now on the daily, still coming down on the 4 hour. Hey, we're not safe yet. We got a gap fill at about 191. But yeah, we got some resistance there too. Let's check the 1 hour. Mm, might want to slide this resistance up just a little. Just to manage things, see what's up. I'll probably keep that on a 15 just to see how it's going. All right. Also, probably pull up IWM right here as well. I think it's at all time highs as we speak. So yeah, IWM. Yeah, this thing is running. Let me check it on the 1 hour real quick. Let me add like a little area of interest down here on IWM. That was from 266.79 to about, yeah, there's some good meat right there in a non-weird way. You just yeah, add that right there. M says top of the morning. Happily pissed off. Made more money than usual yesterday. Pissed though because I could have made more. Stop loss set trick. Hey, yo, uh, I'm gonna say perspective is everything. Uh, I'm sure we all missed out yesterday, but the wins we took yesterday were really nice too. It's like, yo, I was feeling good in the morning, and I was even happy because it was like sold out at the right time too. But then got in and I go to the grocery store and then the market it just skyrockets. It's like what happens with the market happens, and it's ultimately, zoom in, zoom out. That's gonna kind of shape your perspective. So I personally like to zoom out and look at the overall bigger picture and realize like typically whenever you said mean sell order triggered, I'm exactly. Oh, see, that's my thing. Like that's why I don't set like the actual orders to trigger themselves. I set alerts in the chart so that I can do it myself. I know you're at work, so you might have to do that, but it's like I don't know. I don't ever think I worked a job like serious enough to where I couldn't run to the bathroom real quick and like look at my phone. Mostly because I could never get one. I could never get a job like that because bro, graduating during COVID and everything, all the jobs that I was qualified for, they weren't really hiring. So yeah, I always had like Amazon, Walmart, some sort of fast food or something like that. But yeah, today was good. I'm just gonna say like or how I'm feeling right now is I don't think we're out of the woods to the upside yet. Cause like for instance with Meta, there is a supply zone. Like we it's currently in the supply zone that sent it down to this area, down to 615. So I would like if Meta can come to this 631.84, I'm probably going for a short. And then if it confirms above that, I'm probably out of there. But ideally a nice trade on Meta will be something like, yeah, enter up here at around like 632. And a full ride would be all the way here. That's like a $17 move. I'm gonna be real. I'm probably not gonna ride that far, but that is what I'm gonna use. Like this $17 like number right here. This is what I'm gonna use to do the math, like the quick math when I'm trying to see like what contract do I want to get. Whenever I'm looking at the delta and the price I'm paying, if I pay $100 for a contract, let's say I see a delta of like 10 on the contract. If I pay $100 for a contract, the delta is 10 and it moves $17. That's 170% profit if it makes a full move. So it's like I like that. So that's how I'm looking at this. Just to kind of let you know. You said in TQQQ this morning. You said any thoughts? TQQQ is up, and that's all I can say. It's like possible resistance probably coming to fill in a gap, but it's like any thoughts is a very broad question. It does look like there's like some small liquidity here. It's not quite in the supply zone. Honestly, it could possibly. Oh, you said TQQQ. So once again, I can only or I only give like the analysis for the Qs, but you just got to take it and apply it yourself. So it's like it could push more, but yeah, I would just take it to a lower time frame. It's kind of at resistance right now. You're gonna want to see how that actually ends up playing out. Like see if that holds up. I told you I'm looking at a short on Meta, but yeah, also because of the possibility that we decide to go ham, I'm not going to go all in. I'll probably go in with like $100. Real quick, I need to check my day trades on my different accounts to see what or how I would want to do this real quick. But let me see what I'm working with today. That's the wrong account. Let's see where it was. Oh no, so I'm not using that account today. But yeah, so I'm gonna be on Moomoo today. Um, these curve top in the morning. Surprise stream. Yeah, yeah. I was doing stuff and I'm like, yo, I got a lot to do today because tomorrow's when it's supposed to get cold. So I got a lot of stuff I need to prepare and I just want to make sure all the things that I need to do is kind of taken care of today. So I'm like, I'm up now. I'm kind of looking at the charts right now. So if I'm a trade, let's get this done now because sometimes we kind of waste time on those streams. So I'm like, yo, let's get here while it's here. You said, would I consider doing METU instead of Meta? Personally, no. Um, it's it's one thing if I was trying to buy the shares and if I was trying to buy the shares of METU and like ride those over time, that would be one thing. Like go for a long term swing on those. But the issue with METU and stuff like that is simply just the fact that there aren't enough people trading the contracts, so you will get stuck in those contracts. And that can be like if you can't get out of the contracts, you you kind of get done dirty on those. Michelle, top of the morning, or Michael. I have no idea if Spy's going up there. Spy is at a resistance, so it can go up higher, it can go down lower. You ultimately just have to see, does it break resistance? Does it hold resistance? I'd probably give it like 15 minutes before I like really, really made any decisions like that. Like 15 minutes for confirmation, not just like, oh, 15 minutes past this. So it's going up here. But here, what was I saying? Kong, top of the morning, top of the morning. I feel like if Spy does go to 693 though, they're not just gonna make it easy. I feel like they'll probably send it all around first. Also, this is your friendly reminder, or first, hey, first heads up. If you can hear the sound of my voice, yo, what you doing? Smash the like button. Hey, send that good energy for the morning. Let's go. Let's get it. We're about to get this bread. It's all good. Here, let me I'm just trying to see what contracts are looking like on the day. Hopefully they're lower because what is it? Hopefully they're lower just because of the VIX is down a little bit. All right, so I got a contract I'm looking at, and I'm gonna let y'all know, like just give y'all a heads up, just for the sake of time. I'm not gonna be able to get time because of earnings. It's like you got some more earnings coming in next week on some more notable companies. Because of earnings, more contracts are going to be pricier. So, I'm saying it's like button smash. I appreciate that. Break even voted on. Dang, I guess we know who voted break even. Let's see. Okay, so we got green and break even. Oh, somebody said red. Hey, it's always a possibility. All right, so we got the Russell at all time highs. The Russell is at all time highs. It's testing the high. I'm gonna set everything to the 15 minute just for the sake of things. On the oh, we even got SoFi trying to push pre-market high. We'll see. All right, so SPY trying to push a little bit. Nothing crazy. Don't get too excited, but we are still in the first like what like 8 minutes. Let me I'm gonna check Forex Factory real quick. All right, so we do have core PCE 30 minutes in today. So yeah, just be aware of that. But yeah, we got the SPY pushing right now. Okay, Meta is pushing towards that area I said I would take an entry. All right, so it just hit. So I am here. Let me take one more look. This is what I'm gonna do. Ooh, they're okay. These contracts are jumping all over the place. I'm gonna just try to get some. All right, so I just grabbed. Here, let me go back and look at it. I just grabbed a 617.50 meta put expiring tomorrow. I paid 88 cents per share, $88 for the contract. And here, Let's put that in. This is something that could take till tomorrow, whatever. But yeah, this is a yeah, it's a trade I just took on Meta. Let me share that to the family. All right, I'm up $2 on it now, but it could be a ride. Could be a ride. But that's what I was looking at for today. Now my move is just to kind of make sure that we don't confirm above. If we end up confirming above, I have to get out. But let's see. Just grabbed a META put expiring 1/23 paid 0.88 per share. All right. All right. So Meta trying to come out strong right now. We'll see how things go. So yeah, that's what I got. I'm chilling. Honestly, this one might outlast the stream. But yeah, I was just looking. Looked like it had a potential for a $17 move. So we'll kind of let that do its thing. See how that ends up turning out. All right. Okay. D-Scurd, the data this morning was positive before open. Yo, that would explain why the market kind of like popped up. Like, yo, market it like popped. Like, D-Scurd was looking good today. Let's check out your USAR. Let's see how that's doing. Oh, okay. Hold up. Let's see it on the 4 hour. Let's compare it. Whoa, we were looking at it on the weekly last night. Oh yeah, that's looking nice right now. Hey, we might be on to something. Might be on to something there. Hey, yo, I hope it goes crazy. All right, what was the other one? It was USAR. I know we looked at the Qs, but I'm not sure that's the other one. Let me check out Palantir. I'm curious how it's doing. All right, so Palantir still riding this 13 EMA on the 4 hour. All right, Meta right now is also not looking like it's holding that high, but we're still in the first candle. Oh, it was Netflix. Netflix. Oh yeah, let's check on Netflix. All right, so Netflix yesterday pulled, or actually in the pre-market pulled up to this $86 area. It's pulling back some more. Oh, yesterday it hit a low at 80.50. Okay, yeah, that's on right there too. But let's see. I want to see if there are any good swing. Honestly, nah. I feel like this meta is too risky to go for like a swing because I could be out of this trade today and then meta could already be back up. It's like I want to go for it in my swing account, but it's not a wise move. And let's see what the spy right now. The spy is kind of well, actually, it's trying to actually, meta trying to push back up too. Hey, top of the morning, Monica. Hope all's well. Smash the like button. What was that? Somebody say something? Smash the like button. Yeah. So yeah, we got stocks kind of just stocking around. Hey, IWM looking good, like you cut G. Hmm. Here, let me check it. IWM, yeah, IWM is it very much so is. I wanted to. Oh, we're not 15 minutes in. I was gonna say I wanted to take a look at the PCE, but we'll have to we'll have to see. So here, let's see if anything on my list looks interesting. All right, so like 15-minute wise, IWM's holding up well. The Qs, all three of the indexes. So we got the SPY is kind of like holding that resistance. Um, the Q's kind of getting pushed down by resistance, and then IWM, it's like, yo, what resistance? Even though it's at all time highs, a lot of buying going on. It's a LOL smash the like button. Hey, speaking of LOL, that reminds me, I got this what is this? This dad joke calendar. I gotta rip the day off and see what today's joke is. See if it's actually like semi funny. Let's see. I didn't like my beard at first, then it grew on me. I think I'm kind of in that I didn't don't like my beard phase yet. I'm still waiting on it to grow. Still waiting on it to grow. I guess I haven't quite yet reached dad status. All right, let's see. Let's see. SoFi, gold, silver, off the good open. Yeah, SoFi. I feel like we pulled up. So SoFi was kind of popping a little bit, but yeah, we're back at it with the gold again too. Yeah, we'll still need to see what it looks like after the first 15 minutes. But you said why is asking bid so spread out on USAR? Let me take a look at it and and I'm gonna take a look just to like confirm why. But I want to let you know that term when the bid and ask are kind of spread out like that, that's referred to as slippage. Or that's what the term is called. Like whenever you have a wide bid and ask spread. Okay, so USAR. Okay, so I'm gonna look at the monies for this week. Oh, yeah, that is a lot of slippage. So with USAR and when it comes to the bid and ask, wait, actually, hold on. Let me look one more time. So right now, there's actually a decent amount of people that want to buy it, but the price they're willing to pay isn't quite up to the standard of what the people are asking for it. So until there is a matchup there, it's going to be is it's going to be like that. So right now there is volume there, there are eyeballs there, but right now the people at the oh hold up, we got a candle there. Spy Spy got a quick little drop. It said nope. It said we are not going to close above up here. Or it could. But yeah, we got that came in on the Russell too. Yeah, we got a nice little candle on the Spy. IWM pulled back, all that. Lucky J top in the morning. You said I'm 50, beers still don't connect. Dang, I'm over here thinking, hey, when I hit a certain age, it's gonna happen. Like I think happened for my brothers. I think by the time they were my age, they kind of had it. I go to Walmart. and like people like I think nah, actually that was kind of a solid amount of time ago. So I think I need to stop telling that story now because it was probably a couple of years ago. But it's like on occasion I still get asked if I'm in high school. Let's go. Uh, USAR strike price that can make a the strike price can make a difference on the bid and ask. Hey, very true, very true. Okay, we got Meta trying to close up here. So we got one candle that's likely going to close up here. We're going to have to see how the next one is because, if this next one is like this, I probably need to get out. You said I got blessed with, yes, you did. Yes, you did. It's like me. I don't even have like a crazy jawline or anything. So it's like, I gotta keep at least I have like, yeah, I don't have a crazy jawline, but at least I have something. Some people like have like huge beards, and it's like when they shave them off, it's like, yo, where's the rest of your face? So as long as I'm not like that, I'm all good. All right, so okay, so we got the PCE in. The PCE is at 55, and y'all excuse me, I'm gonna need like maybe like 2 minutes just to make sure some processes keep going. So make sure the stock market doesn't do anything too crazy. But candle wise, we should be good. We have some data coming in 14 minutes. I'll be right back. All right, we back. Okay. All right, the spy is selling off some more. Wait, yeah, spy selling off. Meta for the moment's holding up. I'm gonna zoom out, get a little bird's eye view on spy. See it on the 1 hour. I'll be real. This what is this level? So where it's at right now, this could be potential liquidity. We'll want to see. We'll want to see. I'm gonna take this. Yeah, we'll watch this low. Also have support here. Okay, Meta trying to pull back too a little bit. We'll see. Let me check the 1 hour. Also have the 13 EMA at about 617. Let me check the 4 hour. Did we come up? We didn't fill in that gap. Let me check the daily. We do have the gap on the daily close. But as of right now, the daily candle is chilling above the 13. And we'll see. We'll see. But Meta is pulling back like I want, so that's good. But yeah, so yeah, we got to like 690, and it looks like we're seeing some selling pressure. move around and check the volume on that. All right, so right here at this 687.24, this is a potential buy area. I'm not doing anything with this right now, but from here, we can either see intensified selling, which we might is possible, or this might be the buy area where you look to try to ride back to the high because that's pre-market support. But I'm leaning on us selling off just because I have that meta, and I know meta is part of the S&P, but it doesn't always have to be like that. All right, so I can officially say meta has not confirmed it has made it back to my entry, and no, as of right now, we're good. Let it bring it on down. Let's go. I'm up like 11% on that meta. What's crazy is the price is higher than it was when I bought it. Or the stock price is. I think. USARIC. Yeah, I just saw that. It was at like here, we can throw it back over here. Yeah, that thing flying. 15% on a day. All right, we still have data in like 9 minutes. 9 minutes and that's that's a wrap. I'm still here for the record, y'all. Just in awe watching these charts. Okay, we got IWM trying to hold up. Looks like the Qs and the SPY are trying to come a little higher. So we'll kind of check in on it. Oh, now I'm down like $1 on my meta, but okay, just chill. So come on, Tesla, get some strength. Nah, I want the market to come on down today. Here we can. Here, let's see what you're talking about, bro. Tesla went crazy yesterday after after that little dip, but actually, it looks good on the 15 current range. I would say Tesla pull back to like 430. Yeah, watch it for more upside. Said in meta put as well, pay 69. Yeah, we'll see what happens with the put. I think like if we get this move, yo, we got some good potential on this. I think it's starting to look like a good possibility for that meta. It's just always when you get in early, it's like I have a hard time at market open because of all the gamery, the trickery. That the trade I'm taking on meta is, I think it might be based off the 4 hours. So just one thing to be aware of is may not have the time. They may be trying to play games, but also they shouldn't just stick around. As of right now, if you were looking at this like a 4 hour candle, we are seeing resistance here, but here I also probably want to, since I'm in on this, I probably want to like set an alert around this area too, because I feel like it might slow down there. So I may not, like, if it wants to like straight line it to this 614 area, cool. But honestly, like 623, that's probably going to be some good money too. Hood and crypto, hood's coming down pretty hard. Let's see. Oh, no, I was thinking like I last I saw hood was like over here. I was like, oh, if it's coming down pretty hard from there, I'm like, oh, okay, let's take a look. That's a good like kind of lead though. If it's selling off, that might be there might be more to go. Let's check the VIX real quick. All right, okay, VIX. Like we sold off on the VIX. Is the VIX gonna come close this gap? We gonna fill that gap in? Let's see. Meta's trying to hold up and playing with me. Where's see Bitcoin? Bitcoin was at 90K. So it's fluctuating between 50 and $70. I can't. Even seen it down to. So in a sense, I'm just gonna tell you what I typically do. Whenever I get in a contract, like I don't like in the beginning when it's like close to like it's still up if it's still around the area that I purchased it at, or if it's still like kind of at the area where it's not like at my stop loss or anything, I I don't look at the contract until I think, oh, the actual stock has moved, like made a meaningful movement. So let me just see how that is moving the let me see how that's moving the contract, because unless it just like been trading sideways forever and I'm like, yo, I might need to cut out of this because the theta's going crazy. I uh i i don't look at it until the actual stock price has moved. Yeah, the stock price has moved in a meaningful way. All right, so we're coming to that support on the SPY. Yeah, pre-market support at about 687.24. We're about 50 cents away, a little less than that, maybe like 40 cents away now. He says 623, terrific money. Oh yeah, for sure. Especially like if it goes off for it today. Very good. Seems like market consolidating until data could, hey, I'm hoping for that rug to get pulled. Hey, Bring back the volatility. It's like if you get it like right now, the VIX is low. If you're able to like if you got in while the VIX was low, and then you're able to like oh the this VIX increases while you're in a trade too. That's a little solid contract boost or yeah contract or IV boost right there too. All right, Meta's at about the lowest it's been since entry, so that should be a good look. All right, and we're about to close this candle out, so if we close down here, that's a good look. That's a good look. We got like 5 seconds left. Come on, come on. Oh yeah, yeah. Is that? Oh yeah, that thing closed. That closed. That closed down. Okay. So yeah, failed first attempt. Hopefully the only attempt, but yeah, first attempt at that resistance failed. All right, let's zoom out to the 4 hour real quick. Data should be coming in right now. But zooming out to the 4 hour on this meta candle, we do have like a little liquidity. We also have a supply zone right here that we are kind of working with. And this is what I base my meta trade off of. So like just the kind of areas that we're working with right now. We do have a demand zone down here. And yeah, we're in a supply zone over here. So I was just looking here, but the full area of this would be 600 to about, I guess it's 631 area. All right, so let's check data. Yes, I think SPY may have just hit support. Nah, I was real close though. All right, let me check data. Let's see. What was that? Oh, checking data. Okay, let's see. All right, so core PC came in line. Okay. Uh Eddie, Matthew, you had a call on SPY last week that ends this. Are you talking about the call I got like last Friday or something? If you're talking about the call I got last Friday, I don't remember. Like, I definitely didn't hold it, but I think I made like a solid bag on that. Let me see. I think I grabbed like two contracts. Hey, what's up, Dominique? But yeah, I think like I may not have, I guess I didn't take profit on stream, but yo, I made some money off that. Let me see. Let me go to my SPY contracts. Uh let me check the dates real quick. So last Friday, Thursday and Friday were the 15th and 16th. So on the 16th, I bought a SPY call at 696 or a 696 SPY call that expired on the 20th. And the 690 and I wait. Yeah, on the let me okay, so I bought one at 83 and then I guess I bought another one. I paid a little more for it. And then I sold out at 243. So I took profit on that. And then oh, the other ones are from this week. So we'll leave that one. But yeah, everything I had got is I think all those SPY trades I've taken the past week have I made money on. Yeah, I haven't lost a trade on the SPY since I took one trade on the SPY January 8th, sold out January 9th, and it was I lost like $10 on it. Everything else has resulted in some sort of gain. All right, so here we are. We're at support. I just got an alert. Let me see. Oh, that's kind of update on the data. Handmade in. Hey, top of the morning. All right, so this could be a buy area. Let's watch the hiking ashes, and then let's also. I would personally like to see us come below here and confirm, but stocks don't necessarily trade according to Matthew. So we'll see. Oh, handmade and what's WH? I thought it said high, but I'm seeing it now. It says WH. USAR order filled, two contracts. Oh, you got like your 3 months or whatever. Oh, Meta trying to push back up again. I'm gonna need You said, am I in the trade on the SPY? No, I'm not in the trade on the SPY. I'm in a trade on Meta. I'm watching and kind of narrating the SPY, but nah, I'm in a trade on Meta. I'm not gonna play SPY right here. It's not as clear. It's like I would say like day trades are pretty clear, but I only have like one day trade I can use, and I that is going to be for Meta if I need to use it. So it's like I kind of talk about and say what's going on with SPY, but yeah, not gonna not trading it right now. Is it possible that SPY goes up and Meta goes down? Seems like so it is possible. Yeah, that's possible. It's just it really just depends kind of on what's going on. All right, so we got SPY coming below support. Handmaiden forever. I don't know if you can hear me, but I've been answering your questions. I was like, if you listen, yeah, I'm answering your questions. I'm gonna be real. The energy, like I don't know, just the way I text and message. That please. That's like a little. That's kind of something I would call a turn off in conversation to me. Like whenever people like beg and stuff, it's typically a nod for me. So um I am going to request that you talk to me as if we are equals and speak or type with dignity. Don't beg me for anything. Let's see. So Palantir, like, is it coming down more? That's a good look. I'm not doing anything with it, but oh no, it's okay. It's still holding up at that level, kind of. Also, I was watching something yesterday, and it was talking about the amount of people kind of like flocking towards like different gambling services, like options trading and like just trading in general, because I guess the market is getting squeezed and like there is wages don't match what is necessarily needed right now. You said I can hear you. Thanks. Just slow. Okay, cool, cool. Yeah, I was like, yo, it's like I'm not gonna ignore your messages unless like if for some reason the messages aren't coming through. I think that's a YouTube thing. But yeah, I'm not gonna sit here and ignore your messages unless it's like 1,000 people messaging. And then if that's the case, we'll probably have to go to like members only mode. But nah. But yeah, right now, Spy is like trying to hold up. It's trying. We'll see. Palantir land low, possibly targeting. Yeah, I think was it 154 was yeah, 154 seems about right for what we said. Like wherever this trend started. Let me see. Uh okay, so short term, you said like 157, 152. Then you got like 147, 148, probably like 148. That's where the trend started. So that's why I'd be like, look out for that. You said 140. I would say by the time it gets to like 143, it's probably trying to come up from there. Here let's see. So the PCE's at 63 now. Let me check back in on the VIX, see like its progression. Bro, Meta is staying pens. Yeah, we may not have anything on earnings. Yeah, Hood is down. What's that like 105 or something? Or if it comes below 102, that's nice. Right now it's still like chilling in this range. Like I'm looking for like new lows. Like let me know when Robinhood's at like 92 or something. I think that's the 92, 93. Okay, so there's something at like 102. No, I think that's it. Like yesterday's support or something. Or no, that's yeah. So about 102, then 94. Still pulling back on the spy. I won't be mad if we like just come back and retest this. Like if we look to like 181 or 681, 682, we just got this big old. Oh well, that's on the 15. Let me come up to a higher time frame real quick. Yeah, there's one on the 1 hour. Let's see the 4 hour. Oh, it's a lot smaller on the 4 hour. We got a fair value gap to like 685 on the 4 hour. Yeah, we need like a headline though. We're like it's looking like we're like magneted to this level right now on Meta, Spy. Um the Russell hasn't necessarily confirmed up here yet. And then relative to its pre-market low, the Q's is like nowhere near it. Wait, hold up. Oh, okay, never mind. So honestly, seeing as like the Q's is nowhere near its pre-market low, this is something I would say aligns more with like what's up with Meta. So it looks like there is room to fall. Looking at the Q's, I'm gonna say it looks like you got there's support at like 616. It's also at a level of support right now at about like this 618 area it's in right now. But right now it feels like nothing's going on. All right, Google just did something. I don't know. I just got like an alert. They crossed some kind of threshold. I guess Google is at its pre-market low right now. See how that ends up moving and developing. There is some buying. There was some buying pressure here last time Google was here. So I think it'll be interesting to see how that plays out. USAR contracts up 10%. Hey, that's a good start for that's a good way to start. Still kind of early on in the actual what is it? The actual for the time you have. Still early on in the move. Oh, I noticed the votes kind of changed a little. Let's see. So we got 16% red, 12% break even, and then we got 72% green. Trying to hold up here a little bit. Check it back to a 15. Let's see what Moomoo said. Okay. What Trump's Greenland taco means for markets. In the lesson of the Greenland sell off, that investors need to pay more attention to President Trump because his social media announcements can hit markets, or less attention because, as the taco acronym has it, he always chickens out. Let me, oh, hold up. This week was different. To the market plunge in April that led him to pull back on his supposedly reciprocal tariffs. That pullback was transparently in response to the sell off, a feedback loop that shouldn't reassure investors much. A painful drop. Okay, we don't need to actually read the headline, but all right. We got this SPY testing this low again. All right, so right now we have lower lows and lower highs on the 15. We just put in a lower high. Let's see if we can keep this up. Meta is trying to be a trooper today. He's trying to be a trooper. Tech override. What's up, family? It's been a minute. All right. So, what's your reason that? Oh, I didn't exactly. Hold up. I gotta see if this person is actually live. All right, we got Meta pushing up. Handmade in forever. You said yes. That was supposed to be for Tech Override, the person who sent that other message, just for the record. Because it's like if I know if I answer a question for something that was like from about an hour ago, he may not even stick around long enough to get the answer to the question. So I'm not gonna waste the energy and effort trying to answer it until he comes and catches up with actually being live. The issue, top of the morning. I might need to take off the what is it? I probably need to turn off the little the it's called like a something mode. Oh, DVR mode, yeah. Yeah, I might need to turn it off so everyone's just live. So here, let's go. All right, so I turned off DVR. I don't know if that's gonna bring everyone to be where I am right now, but oh, I gotta watch Meta again. We got this candle right here. We gotta see where it comes. You said if it gets above, you said you're in big trouble. We'll see. We'll see. I'm really just monitoring the. I'm really just monitoring to see if we get confirmation or not. But I'm not. I'm not in big trouble because it's like playing with profits and and it's like I'll just be down from some profits. It's like I'm. It's not like I'm going to lose it all. All right. So now we're catching, not catching volume, but we did push up a little bit from. We did push up from right there. Google trying to pump. Oh yeah, that pump on Google definitely lined up with the push on the spy. Is Google kind of leading the market right now? Is that what's going on? But hey, I'm gonna try to hop on my stream from my phone just to so I can see what people see on my stream. Let's see. All right, so we're here. Okay, so it looks like yeah, it looks like you can't go back anymore. I gotta turn that off so I know that everyone's live and they don't have any choice. So yeah, so now you can't go back on the stream unless unless Lakers only. Would zero DT options make sense today? Honestly, that depends on that 100% depends on your situation, depends on the move you're looking for. It yeah, it depends on what you think is going to happen and the price of things. It's like if you think you're going to get the trade, like if you think the stock is going to move fast enough, then I don't see why not. But if it's something that you're going to be in long enough or be in a long time, or like if you don't think the move is ready to happen, it's probably not a good move. Zero DTs, you need the quickness and you need the move. Lakers only said Blazers only. Dang. Okay, hey, we got a little beef in here. Hey, oh hey. Mavs only. Yo. All right, let's see. Dang, that is actually up like 22 dollars on the day. That's kind of wild. You said I've been following live. I just recalled from earlier. Okay, so I didn't actually select the 10 delta. That was for what was going on is that was for demonstration purposes. So I have a video that explains that. I can drop the link in. Like I'll drop the link to the video, but no, that's just telling how I pick options contracts. So I think I have the video on my channel called like how to pick the perfect option strike or whatever. Let me see. I'm looking for it. All right, so I'm about to drop the link to it. All right, so the link to that video, that's gonna, I think it's called the, yeah, it's called the hack for finding the perfect option strike. That's gonna explain it if you want like a full on explainer, but I was just using 10 because it's a simple round number and it makes it easier to explain things. Like I said, $100 contract, I said $10 delta, and we were looking at a $17 move. That's that move. If we got that move, that would be the equivalent of a $170 increase on the contract. Honestly, it probably would be more just because it's the delta would increase. And then it's like if we paid $100 for the contract and it increases by $170, that's a 170% increase. So what's up, Shane? Hey, we got your name today. Hey, Silent Watcher. Hey, appreciate you checking in today. Hey, it's all good, all good. It's definitely nice to know who's in the room and who smashed the like button. All right, you said that's what the Blazers said 5 days ago against the Lakers. You said Lakers only. You said game over. These Curve in here talking smack. These Curve don't play about basketball, I see. We're not getting too much movement. It's like I think the next time we should really expect volume isn't for like another hour when we get like what is it? Euro close. So here I'm watching the chat. I'm watching the charts. But while things are slow, I'm also gonna sit here and kinda roll around, get things in order. Cause your boy got stuff to do too. And if I can double, okay, we're kind of, hey, pushing up off the bottom a little bit. All right, so the SPY on the 2 minute is coming back to retest the 200 moving average. All right, okay, yeah, just as I was talking, it's like it's like oh, it's not done yet. Just made $700 in 3 minutes. Nice. How much did you use to do that? Just for the sake of the people who feel a sense of FOMO, because it's like some people are like, oh man, I want to do the same. But it's like, bro, if you're using like $10,000 to do that, $700 is $700 and that's great money. But it's like, well, people see stuff and it's like, oh, I just made $700 from $100. That's like insane. But it's like you can make $700 in 3 minutes doing some base hits too. We just gotta help provide context for the people that don't know. Use okay, that's solid. So So that's what? So you used 2,500. That probably went up to 3,200. Okay, yeah, that's a solid return. I'm just ballparking, but I'm gonna say about 30%. That's about what I probably go for. But hey, thank you for sharing that. Thank you for sharing that. Hey, good work, good work. All right, so we are up here. Where's my mouse at? There we go. So we got a closure up here. We're here at resistance. This candle can serve as confirmation, but I'm also seeing this as resistance as well. So I'm gonna let y'all know. This candle right here is a signal for me to get out. I'm also letting y'all know I'm still remaining in this trade, which is a semi no, but also it's kind of like I'm being real with y'all. I'm hopping to like another thing because it's like I still really believe in this trade, but this candle right here is kind of my signal to get out. But I still think this trade can happen. So I just want to be completely transparent with y'all. I should be getting out right here, but I am also sticking around to see what happens right here as of right now. Just want to let y'all know. Like anybody who took that because of me, this is whenever like the trade is technically invalidated. So it can get worse and it can blast off here. I did not risk anything that I cannot lose. Like this trade was taken with profits. So I want to point that out. I want to let y'all know the next thing I'm kind of looking for. I'm looking to see if we can still manage holding, like if this area can still serve as resistance and we don't push higher like on the 4 hour. I still think that this can come down and end up being a wick on the 4 hour. But we'll ultimately have to see. This will either run up and go crazy, which hope doesn't happen, or like at the end of the stream I will have my clarity. All right, Empson said had I stayed in that spy play, could have sold at 318 paid. Someone buying two contracts makes 700. Oh yeah, I know how you feel. Ditto pay for with profit stop loss set. What's going on over here? All right, so we're pushing back up. So as you can see earlier when I said, "Oh, this is a good area," or potentially like if we hold up, this is a good area to buy a call. Anyone who took action on that, there it is. You got a meaningful move. But now we're at the 13 EMA. We'll kind of see what happens here. This is a kind of area of resistance, a weak resistance, but it's an area of resistance. Let's see how things are looking. So Bitcoin, I think it's come down further. Let me check the dollar real quick. IWM, once again at an all-time high. The VIX is coming down. PCE has come down as well. That's kind of bullish. Q's filled that gap. Oh yeah, very much so. They filled in the gap, and now they are bouncing up. I think. Oh yeah, the spy filled it in too. Yeah, so that appears to be exactly what's happening. Shoot, if this ends up running the other way, and we get some sort of breakout, nah, I'm not gonna say that. I think that's running the gun. Let me look at it real quick. Oh, right now, when you look on the day, we're very where we are right now. We're pretty indecisive. We got a massive indecision candle. We're like right where we started, right here at 689. But this could develop into something else. You said USAR 2338 and climbing. That's up like 20%. Quite the day. This kind of looks like a channel though. Look at this. It's on the 15-minute though. Here, let's see. Let's say we came in like this. No. I guess I guess the top not quite as oh no, yeah, it looks like it was in a channel. It looks like it might be possibly breaking out of the channel. We'll wanna like see if it like fully confirms, but yo, that's definitely yeah, you could have a solid breakout on your hands. The market is making you think it's going up, but I bet that's kind of how I'm leaning. That is how I lean, um, Edward. Like I'm probably gonna hold on to this meta, and then like in the afternoon or early tomorrow, I'm probably gonna be like, oh man, I'm glad I did that. But we'll see. Like if it gets too nasty, I gotta let it go. But it is not quite in too nasty territory, so but I will say I should be out of it like for terms of confirmation. Bro, they send out too many notifications. Does anybody whoa, hold up. Critical metal gains 15% intraday after signing deals. Saudi. Oh, okay, never mind. I don't I read something else completely different. I was like, whoa. I'm not even gonna say what I thought I read. USAR also broke 1950, zooming out. That area was strong resistance repeatedly going back over a year or going back over, going back over a year back. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, I'm gonna take one of these just for my visual viewing. You check the cues on the 4 hour. Can't ever get too comfortable in these markets. Oh, hold up. I'm gonna do something I haven't done in a while. All right, so I'm gonna go to Moomoo and I am going to. Oh, I'm down on that contract, but I am going to. Oh, yeah, oh wait, I think it's in more. No, it's not. Markets, options. Okay, there we go. I'm looking at unusual options activity. Let's see. See, somebody put in. Oh, it's not too crazy. I'm just looking and seeing if I see any stocks that are of interest first off. I saw something on Palantir. I saw like some puts for about 135, but it wasn't like too alarming the amount of money for Palantir, in my opinion. See some calls being sold on it. Nvidia. Wait, hold up. What's Nvidia at right now? Oh yeah, they sold them. They sold them right at the money. Think they think Nvidia's coming down. You said rut options looking nice. What is rut? Let me see what that even is. Oh, okay. Okay, that's what the IWM is for me. Lyft was on there the other day. Oh, you're talking about the unusual options activity. Lyft has gotten knocked down. Let's see. Oh, it kind of came up a little bit, but it's at the 48 EMA right now. Let me take the Russell to. So there's 22nd. Oh god. Oh yeah, I think yeah. Second, y'all. All right, all good, all good. Yeah, that call as support would have been the move. Kind of. Let me check the dollar real quick. All right, so I'm looking. We got the dollar steady dropping. That's kind of bullish. Um, Gold and silver coming up. Yeah, for now, I think I'm gonna end up cutting out of that. Yeah, so I'm taking an L on that meta. All right, so I'm out at 36 cents per share. I took a $52 loss on that. Let me. I think that's my fourth one this year. All right, just took an L on Meta, but sold out at 36 per share. Yeah, I'm looking at Meta right now and I'm kind of like where it's at and how far it's pushed. I can see it going further, but I didn't get adequate time on it. So yeah, I it could reverse at 642. It could also reverse at six. I would say 650 is probably gonna be a much more solid reversal point. But yeah, just got in too early with that. Not trying to, not really trying to uh, let it go to zero. It's like there'll still be another chance, but not gonna take that today. I'm gonna be on the lookout for swings. So I'm gonna go back to the 4 hour and just take the time we have now to just look around. Oh, this is a lot better. Okay, so going back to what I just said with Meta, I said about 650, but looking at it, I was targeting like some small stuff. I mean, it looked decent, but for Meta, that's like nothing. Let me clear all this up. It's like I already see more. Clear. Okay, so looking at Meta, this is much stronger up here. So that means Meta could continue pushing up. It could. I'm not gonna try to where it is. I'm not gonna try to ride. Honestly, it might. Hold up. Let me check where it came down to. Nothing significant. But yeah, looking at it, we got this downward trend line, right? Going from I guess the 4th of December. And then we got this supply zone up here. Well, actually up here, as well as a hold up, 200 EMA. I'm gonna just throw an alert on that. Reevaluate later. All right, now let's CRM. I'm gonna check the earnings calendar, see if there's anything that looks potential, any good potential run ups or anything. All right, so next week we got UNH on Tuesday, Microsoft on Wednesday. Oh, hold up. Microsoft been getting beat up. Hold up. How's Microsoft doing today? It's in the green a little bit today. Oh, we got next Wednesday. We got Meta. We got Microsoft. We got Tesla. Okay, so we're probably getting the Meta like kind of earnings run up right now. We got Apple on Thursday. Oh, I'm gonna probably just leave them all on. You said not sure why Tesla just got a big push, low time frame. Here, let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna leave all those alone. I might yeah, I'm gonna probably leave all those alone, but Davos Musk says tariff barriers for solar power is high. And what does that even mean? What what is a high tariff barrier for solar mean? Does that I don't know. I would say that like the volume in that lines up with Elon speaking at Davos though. That's probably what's going on. Say Amazon to the upside. Yeah, so next week we got big earnings. Apple. Hold on, let me take another look at Apple real quick too. Talking about robots. Shoot, I kind of want to hear that. Let me see what's up with that. I guess you can't really get captions for it right now. I'm actually not trying to just sit here and like just see him talk. I kind of want to see reactions and stuff. Musk says Tesla expects self-driving approval in Europe next month. Oh, hold up. That sounds kind of bullish. Robo taxi service will be very widespread by year end, says China approval time. That is that's something right there. Hold up. Let's check it's already coming rain though. Ast is running. Or is this Oh, ASTI. Oh, what is this? Ascent Solar. Oh, I need context. How long is this? Dang. Yo, it definitely has some history. You said my meta on fit. I cut out of I cut out of meta. I want to say I cut out. I think it might. Yeah, I cut out on this candle right here because it looks like it's forming support at this. I guess 635.50 area. So I'm no longer in meta. I'm not sure if you heard, but I cut out of that trade because it can definitely blast higher. We're coming into earnings on next Wednesday, so just wanted to let you be aware of that. Okay, it's still kind of moving. Let's see. Yeah, definitely caught some volume right there. Or actually, that was kind of pre-market. Or no, that was like 10 minutes ago actually that it caught the majority of that volume. You know what? I'm gonna just throw some fun. I'm gonna actually hold on. Let me see what the options look like. I might just pick up a couple shares. Oh, are there even options for it? I'm looking at saying there's no results found. Yeah, I'm gonna get like I'm gonna just get a few shares. I got like 5 shares. Oh no, the price trying to push up while I'm trying to get them. I think my order went in at 569. We'll see if it comes back to that. I'm not gonna chase it though. Elon Musk space up lines up 4 banks for blockbuster IPO. What does that mean? Hold on, I'm gonna have to look up that headline. Or actually, let me see if these headlines are coming through Google at all. Because Elon Musk, SpaceX lines up Bank of America, Goldman Sachs, J.P. Morgan, Chase, and Morgan Stanley. for Blockbuster. What does this mean? Said no option shares on. Bro, the shares are running away from me. Yeah, I might have to let me change my order real quick. We'll see if I get filled. Bro, it's trying to run away from me. All right, I bought them like a lot higher, but yeah, I think I bought the top. So if anything happens, if it doesn't go any higher, know that I bought the top. I'm in at 618 on the yeah, that's pretty much the top. Oh, yeah, I'm in at 618 on ASTI. I'm gonna add this to my list. There we go. Sold my calls on SPY. Don't want to be the decider of the daily. Yeah, we're still trying to push up, kind of. Yeah, we're kind of range bound today. Hey, peace out, D Scurv. Have a blessed day. All right, so ASTI. If it wants to go crazy, I'm here for it. All right, I'm gonna check headlines again because I guess stuff is coming out about us. Google starting today. Google AI Pro and AI Ultra subscribers can opt and to securely connect Gmail and Google Photos to AI mode. What does this mean? Google expanding personal intelligence to AI mode in Google search. Interesting. I might need to see what's up with Google's AI. It's like right now I'm kind of like mostly chat GPT, but I'm gonna need to spend some time with Google's AI. You said this is about to go. I'm gonna need it to go. Or actually I'm semi chilling, but I would like it to go. Like it to go somewhere. Would like it to take off into oblivion. So it came back to where my original limit order was. We'll see how that one does over time. Oh, SanDisk is in the red today. Micron is too. Let me check that out real quick. Oh, it's a 5 minute. Hey, that call I had, that really would have did all right on that yesterday, but that really would have paid off. Bro, Shopify is still moving back. When is their earnings? Oh, Shopify is yo, what time frame is this? Yo, Shopify is pulling into. They got a area right here, and then they got like a 133. You said SanDisk doubled in 22 days. That's wild. What was I want to say? So Shopify's earnings is February 18th. Can I like set like a date alert? Can I? That's it. I want to be notified about their earnings so I remember. Yeah, I'll be here tomorrow. As long as the winter storm doesn't get here early, yeah, I'll be here because they're expecting our power to go out, but we'll see. So I asked ChatGPT about my. Okay, I'm gonna let y'all know he means investing class. Okay, he doesn't mean what is spelled right there, guys. He means investing. All right. It gave me some great info, ideas, prices to ask for, even though I undercut it. Now I got to get prepared to execute. Bro, there are some softwares, or like if you use agent mode, I don't know if you pay for Chat GPT, but if you do, you can use agent mode. If you have Canva, and it'll like create, if you tell it what you want to make the slides about, it'll do it for you. You said if I record it on Zoom, do I record the whole thing while meeting participants and all, or what? In case I want to share class. Um, Honestly, I usually record everything. Like it, I think it automatically records everything. You can cut the video later if you want. When I put up my Zoom meetings, I usually just leave it with everyone. But you said my typos are getting ridiculous. Yeah, I'm not sure I would sign up for an incesting class, but to each their own. Yeah, that's something else. All right, ASTI trying to come up again. I'm still down on it, but trying to come up again. Oh, UNH. Okay, so we got some stocks moving up into their earnings. But here, I wanna throw a couple. Let me check Shopify on the daily. And yes, I use the paid version normally. Card died on me, re-upping all services today, new card. Well, that's no fun. Just died on me. Y'all, I'm about to have to eat. Philip said it's a better day today. Honestly, today I took the first L I've taken in a while. Portfolio wise, yo, it's a good day. But trade wise, I didn't take the best one. Did not work in my favor. But also top of the morning, Philip. I'm about to have to roll here in a little bit though. My hunger is next level. Starting to try to do more. Starting to try to do more option selling and hey, good stuff. Good stuff. Hey, I'm loving the trading development. That's awesome. That is awesome, Philip. Slightly green today, contemplating adding to a little run or trying to get better at adding. GG's. Here, let's see. Let's see. Where we all right, so hey, I'm in the green now on that on those shares we picked up. Shout out to Lucky J. Bought some at 633. Oh, you bought higher than me. What it's looking like before you cut up? Oh, I'm not really gonna watch them too closely. I'm a hold them, and we'll just see what happens with them. I only got 5 shares. There is no plan. It's like if I double up, I'll probably sell out of half of them, or maybe 3 of them. But otherwise, we're just going with the flow. Let me see if option buyers will hand me as much money as I lost when I was an average buyer. So far, it's paying. Hey, that's one way. That's one way to do it. They try to get you with the taxes, but oh yeah, I'm glad I closed out of that meta because it's not going my way. All right. Oh yeah, it's definitely a ride. It's going back. It's going forward. So what's this? Oh, nothing. All right, meta at 639. All right, let's see what happens when the spy gets up here. It's approaching that top again. Yeah, let's check the 1 hour. Oh, we're kind of chopping around here. Meta took my spy money back with some of it. And TSM or TMC also metals play. What's TMC looking like? Probably running up. Oh yeah, that oh, this thing's been running since the Wednesday of last week. You said something about this last week, right? Been looking at Lumen and AMKR lately. Yeah, let's and for okay, some semis. No Tesla. Don't double top. Push there. I feel like Tesla right now. Yeah, let's see. Wait, okay. Musk says power generation is bottleneck for AI deployment. Oh, it's like you create a solution and it creates another problem. So now power generation. All right, so we got Euro close in like 6 minutes. I'm gonna roll out today at Euro close, but just know we got more volume coming into the market. And honestly, you could start to see some of it now. Like this is around the time more volume will kind of come in. Kind of looking at what happened on the day. Um, there was some liquidity here. We did come and sweep it. This isn't necessarily a setup I would have like taken, but there was liquidity, so which means there was a lot of buying pressure. And we did come back to it when you look at the 1 hour, and now we're pushing up. I would say at this like 690 or at high of day, like watch for a potential sell, but the selling doesn't look anywhere near as strong as the buying. So do with that information what you will. Must seize widespread robo taxi this year. humanoid robot sells in 2027. Um, that's gonna be so weird. You say you started that in CRML. AMKR would basically be the packaging for all the hold up, be the packaging for all semis. Potentially, they'd benefit from the success of any main names and even the smaller ones. All right, so we're up here reaching for high of day, or up here reaching for pre-market resistance. Lumen has the fiber real estate to connect all the data centers together. They have to clear their debt sheets, but they've recently partnered with Palantir. Oh, there's USPS. Hold up. Let's see what they got. How big is it? Oh, it's nothing crazy. But yeah, we're coming into the kind of higher day right now. All right, so the hiking ashes are kind of pointing up. Let's check a 15 real quick. Yeah, we're coming into it. If I were gonna stick around, I'd be like, it's approaching a good area to trade. So I personally, I don't know why I keep trying to look for pullbacks, but if I were in it, I'll probably here, let me see. Try to see how this held up or something. Let's check it too. Or I'd probably look for a breakout. See if we could actually break out. If it fails to break higher, then it's probably coming down. I'll probably just try to go for something quick. But with that being said, family, that is going to do it for the day. I'll be back tomorrow at market open, probably a couple minutes before market open, if I can. And yeah, appreciate you coming through, family. Hope you get lots of money today. And yeah, with that being said, Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, Lucky J. Peace out, Philip. Peace out, M Sense. Peace out, D Scurv. Peace out, Edward. Peace out at 752. Peace out, Mahishu. Yeah, y'all have a blessed day. Peace out, Shane. Yeah, y'all stay blessed. Matthew Manuel signing off. and I want to change your life. Peace out, family. Oh, yeah.